Hi, I am Alicia Davis with Real Natural Solutions, and I'm here to help you get the true benefits to get an easier detangling process before and after the shampoo. I love that hair, and you will learn how to proper detangle your hair without getting a lot of shedding. You also will learn how to start with the easiest section first and why it's important to pre-poo before you shampoo. Real Natural Solutions has a hair care line that will also help you moisturize and get unlimited styling options. Detangling before and after the shampoo.
We got Victoria in the chair. And look at this hairstyle, you guys. This is the pinup. I'm going to spin you around so y'all can see the back. Spin her around. You see that? She got this pent up. She did it on a Friday. It's been 3 days. So what I'm going to teach y'all today is
So, what I'm going to teach you today is how to detangle this hair without ripping, breaking, and to do it in a timely fashion. Um, Detangling before and after the shampooing makes the styling process so much more easier and less time consuming. Why it's important to detangle the hair before shampooing is to remove all the shedded hair out using a wide comb, therefore you don't break the hair and have a lot of hair in your comb. Matting will cause breakage and massive shedding, so you want to make sure you detangle your hair at least once a week or at least twice a month. That will keep you from getting massive breakage, massive tangling where you can't get the tangles out of your hair. If the hair is really tight at the base, you can mist it with water or my crayon apple moisture mist by Real Natural Solutions. This softens the hair and releases the tangles so that you can comb through the hair efficiently without causing breaking. Real Natural Solutions gives you the techniques and the skill set to be able maintaining your God-given beauty. So after you get through detangling the hair, you want to start by putting shampoo on the scalp. This is called pre-pooing your hair before you shampoo. Pre-pooing makes shampooing so much easier. This process helps you get to the scalp and free your scalp of dirt and any buildup on your scalp from products.
look at this hair. Look how soft it is. Look at these curls. Look how moisturized this hair is from the scalp to the ends. Look at this hair. It is very, very moisturized. So what I'm going to show y'all is the little steps I use to comb out the hair on everybody's hair.
So we're going to start off and use a little Island Butter Moisturizer and apply that all over to Victoria's hair. And we're going to start in the back and section off from ear to ear. This is a great way to move the majority of the hair out your way with a big clip. I like to start in the back because sometimes the back gets tangled up a little bit more. But notice in the beginning of the series, I detangled her hair before the shampoo, which allows this easy her comb out after the shampoo. Notice how I'm combing from the ends up to the scalp, and it's not really taking me much effort because I did most of the work before the shampoo. Start at the ends, gently combing, releasing the tangles, and work your way up, smoothly working from one side of the section to the other side. Notice how I'm taking and separating with my hands, slightly combing the ends and working my way up. Notice that hand in the middle is holding that hair tight. That keeps you from putting tension onto the scalp of the hair. You don't ever want to pull very hard or yank on the natural hair. The natural hair is gentle. It's like yarn. It can be very soft and supple if you take care of it and put the right moisture and products on there. So I just want to show you guys how to detangle and get her ready for the style. Easy. 1, 2, 3. Now she's ready. She's going to sit under that dryer.